Hi guys, it's Eva and today I'm going to be making Christmas cupcakes. So of course it's December next week, so I'm so excited because I love Christmas and I'm such a big fan of it and I just love it so much. So you might see some decoration in here or me being very festive over the next couple of weeks for the lead up to Christmas. So I have my buttercream and I've also got my vanilla cupcakes on the side. I've got my vanilla cupcakes, so just there's probably an eye in one of these corners or the link down below. So let's get into the baking. To make the Christmas trees, all you need to do is take a nice swirl and bring it up and then pull off at the top, and I'll show you this again. So bring it round and round and then you're going to pull off at the top. For the Christmas puddings, do exactly the same thing, but just a bit smaller because it's circular. Okay, so to make the wreath, all you need to do is put little spots around the edge, and then I built it up just to make it look a bit more lifelike. I then also made some fondant bows and I put them on top of the wreath, and they're pretty easy to make, so yeah. Okay, so here are the Christmas cupcakes finished. I'm very happy with them. As you can see, here's my Christmas pudding, my wreath, and my Christmas trees. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and go and look at all my socials down below. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Bye!